Okay, the first phase is to get yourself a couple dozen eggs. Try to find the center here and drill a hole through both the top and the bottom, being careful not to crack the eggs. You need a sharp drill. You try to find the center as best as possible. That one didn't get the center. So this is phase one that I use for coloring the eggs. Okay, now the next part of the process is to take the eggs that we've drilled the holes on both sides and remove the inside. And we're going to use a little sponge squeegee and a piece of plastic tubing from my spray can of WD-40, our favorite. So the first thing we want to do is have a place to collect it, and we're going to take our plastic and put it in here and just kind of try to break up that yolk in there. Now we're going to lose quite a few eggs doing this because they're so delicate. Okay, so once that's done, we take our syringe type thing here and we gently blow on it, and you can see the egg starting to come out. You can't put too much pressure or you'll break the egg. You'll see the yolk start to come out that you just broke out. Here comes the yolk. Okay, so that removes the egg, as you could see. The next thing we're going to do is, I'm going to move over here, and I have some water. We're going to fill this up with water by pressing it and letting this fill with water. We're going to shoot some water in here now to clean out some of the residue from the egg. From here we're going to place it here so they could kind of drip out. So that's how we remove the inside of the egg. Okay, at this point we just completed blowing out 24 eggs, and as you can see we have a lot of eggs. If you like scrambled eggs, you can make scrambled eggs with it. We're going to do a dish later on, a traditional dish, and out of the 2 dozen eggs we had 4 that just kind of broke apart because the shells were too thin. Normally out of 2 dozen I get 6 to 8 that will do this. It depends on the eggs you get. And here I'm using the extra large eggs. Okay, now the next phase is to seal up these holes. Now you'll see some of the eggs, I don't know if they'll show in the video, but are cracked. Don't worry about that. We could put a little Emerald's glue on there, wipe it. We're going to fill it with a spackling compound. I'm just using joint compound, and we're just going to take this and just put it on there. We're going to wipe that down a little bit. Just going to go over that. Now don't worry about being too critical on this because we're going to come back and sand it once it dries. We're going to do one side, and then you can come back in a few hours, or I usually am going to let these sit overnight to do the other side. If you turn them over and do them right away, there's still some water in there and moisture. Okay, here's the process of taking some plain eggs like this and turning them into beautiful designs like this, beautiful and colorful.